Whoa, slot lizards in the house. Should we try some squeakers for the people?
Sure.
We're gonna come out here and we're gonna zoom in. There we go.
Come on, squeakers.
Look at that. Only the best for you guys. Only the best. Do it. Just get wrecked. Oh. Did you lose it?
It's like in the air.
I was holding it there.
All right, let's get 15 of these squeakers, of these pearls.
Get a minor.
Words. Words. One more. Oh, major. Oh. One more.
Save it. Not bad to start with. Let's get on a run. Makes me feel so good.
Dolphin love.
Got it. Didn't get it. Buffalo! Squeaker, oh! Oh, come on, little guy. I thought you were there. Makes me feel so good.
That's sad.
Come on, little dolphin.
We'll get him.
Get him. Two lines. 25 bucks each.
Cool. That was sad.
Fishies.
The mermaids went by.
Squeaker.
get some just the game. Let's pop it. It was there, wasn't it?
I don't know.
Love it. Get some!
Go!
All right. At least this is landing something, you know? Yeah!
Squeaker!
Maybe that means get some pearls.
I hope so. Big one.
I hope so too. Thumbs up, everybody. There we go.
The pearl was massive.
I was hoping for the chest back here.
Man, sea turtles in the front. Would have been epic.
Oh, almost three.
I thought we had it.
Yeah. We're gonna get it this time? Oh no.
Here's a pearl.
Pearl.
Yeah. 150 bucks, not bad, or 140.
All right.
It's playing.
Yeah. Trying to find the right bet.
Give it to me, baby.
One
Give
more
it to me,
time.
Squeakers.
You got two.
Doge, where'd them squeakers go?
Come on, pearls. Try $5 bets. Okay.
Darn it. Come on!
Oh, I thought we had it. That felt good to me. Come on, little dolphins. Come on. Oh, you went by.
Then you missed it on 4s and right there.
Really? I didn't see it on 4. I just saw it on.
Come on! Come on, Squeaker.
Do it. Pearls.
Fishies. Bonus!
Oh, come on. You're there. Pearls.
Okay.
For your birthday, why don't you do just go 25, see what happens. No? You don't want to do that?
No.
I want to use the restroom.
All right, come out.
Good job. Get it. Come on.
Oh, it's not a line. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Do-do-do-do-do-do. A little something. All we need is 3 fishies. Oh. Come on, 3 squeakers. Right here, Kim, 25. Oh, dirty.
That's a big tease.
Do it. Oh, it's a huge one. Come on. We gotta get lucky, guys. Oh, that's it. We're gonna move on. Anything. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. That's huge. Yeah. Man, if that would have been one up.
Right?
Wow. 750. All right, she's turning around. She saved us. Let's get another one right here. Bam. Oh, did you see squeaker, squeaker, squeaker? Oh, that was dirty. Right here.
It's time for the pearls to come out.
That was good. Come on. 1 mega bonus.
The mermaid said happy birthday.
Do it!
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Will the group poll tonight be live also?
I don't know yet. It's gonna kind of buy the seat of our pants whether we do it or not, so just pay attention. I don't think it will be, but you never know. Do it! It's a 12-5 ball.
Oh man. Easy Money Slack sent a $1.99 super sticker.
Oh, thank you so much. Man, that's a good one. Look at that
That
one.
was a good one. We'll get it on the next one.
Wow, you see, I mean, there's so many pearls just flying by. Come on, baby. just went by, those turds.
Did.
25 out. Slap it in.
That one hurt.
Yeah! Yeah!
8 already?
Another hundo. Come on, land the hard one. Land anything. Yeah, 950. All right, I'm gonna do to 1,000. Back to back, back to back. All right, do it. Didn't do it. Last spin. Oh, maybe not. Last spin, save it. Oh, all right, 600 in, 1,000 out. That was a good one. I'll take that.